everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we were going to learn a two-sided cord. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest updated videos. We will start with a slip knot. A slip knot with 4 chain, with 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chain, and now into the first chain double crochet, 1 double crochet in the first chain, and then turn the work. Just turn the work and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and crochet in the space between chain 3, 7 double crochet in the chain 3 space, three, 4th double crochet, now 5th double crochet, 6th double crochet, and then 6th and 7th double crochet. Total 7 double crochet in chain 3 space. After that, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and a foundation 4 chain we have made in that first chain, single crochet in the first chain, then turn the work, then chain 3, then again 7 double crochet in the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After 7 double crochet, chain 3 and a single crochet through the third chain, 1, 2, 3, this third chain, through the third chain 1 single crochet, then turn the work and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work in the space of chain 3 space, 7 double crochet in chain 3 space, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the third chain 1 single crochet, then turn the work then again chain 3 and 7 double crochet in the chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last 7 double crochet, again chain 3, then 1 single crochet in the third chain, then turn the work, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and 7 double crochet in chain 3 space. Continue the same stitches and complete the work. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please like it, share it